When it comes to resin materials for 3D printing, there are different colors to choose: white, transparent, and others. However, the maximum temperature they can withstand are similar, around 40 to 50 degrees centigrade, which is probably enough to meet the needs of product appearance verification purposes. But what if your clients want to play their product in a sauna room? Just kidding. I mean, for example, if I receive such a request. Hello, I would like to print a set of jack-o'-lantern for Halloween. It needs to be pumpkin color, which is orange or dark red. Also transparent. And I can put a light source inside. The color is easy to achieve. I can just use the transparent material, then apply a dark red color on the surface. But putting a light in may cause the temperature inside exceed 45 degrees centigrade. The material can't handle that. So, should I decline the order? Hell no. Let me introduce a new material. This is originally dark red transparent resin material, which can withstand up to 150 degrees centigrade. Perfectly meets client's requirements. Now, let's do an experiment to test its ability to withstand high temperature. For obvious reason, I can't create a 100 degrees centigrade environment, but I can have a 101. With boiling water. Here, I printed two fan blades. One is the standard transparent resin material, and another is the high temperature resistant one. Let's put it in. See what's gonna happen. Can I have a transaction here 1 minute later?
A few minutes later.
Let's get them out. It's alright, not so hot. The standard transparent resin, as you can see, it becomes soft and weak. I can easily bend it over, twist it. It's a waste. The high temperature resistant one, still hot. It is what it was before the boiling water. See? I have my new material.